Hi, third graders. This week we are working on Unit 29 in Word Study, and we are learning about the prefixes dis, miss, and pre. Prefixes are letters added to the beginning of base words. Adding a prefix changes the meaning of the base word. Let's look at some examples. Dis stands for not or opposite of, like in the words disobey, disloyal, and distaste. Miss means wrongly. So, for example, words like mislead, misbehave, mistreat. And pre means before, like prearrange, preheat, or preview. Our learning target is I can identify and spell words with the prefixes dis, miss, and pre. You will need your word study week or unit 29 packet to do this assignment along with 3 highlighters, yellow, blue, and green. Pause the video if you need to gather those materials, and then we will look at some more examples of words with these prefixes together. Find this page in your word study packet. Look for the words disable and misfit at the top of the page. We are going to start out with the yellow highlighter and use that to mark the prefixes dis. So, for example, disable has that prefix that we're looking for. So does disagree, dishonest, dislike, disloyal, and disobey. Next, we're going to use the blue highlighter to mark the prefixes miss. Misbehave, misfit, mismatch, and misspell. We can also mark the word misdeed at the bottom of this page. Last, we're going to use our green highlighter to mark words with the prefix pre. Prefix, premature, preschool, preteen, and preview. Your word study assignment is to finish the other 2 pages in your packet that look like this one using the same pattern of color of highlighters as the ones that we just did together. Use your yellow highlighter to mark words with the prefix dis. Use your blue highlighter to mark words with the prefix miss, and use your green highlighter to mark words with the prefix pre. When you are finished, check over your work and save your packet in your reading folder.